Hello everyone, today is Friday the 13th, May 13th, and what I'm going to show you today is a few different markets using this method, the ABC method, which I'm offering for free as long as you create a member account, a free member account at DayTradeToWin. You can get this software and course for free. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with any type of trading that you're doing, stocks, futures, Forex, currencies, options. There are risks involved with trading. So the software that you're seeing here today is available. You can download it, install it on your computer. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and you're able to subscribe into a free member account where you can get lots of goodies. We have the news indicator and a few other things available for traders, especially the new traders who want to understand a little bit more on how to day trade. We have an informative way to get you started. Now I'm looking at the NASDAQ market, and I'm using a 1-minute chart. We have here a long opportunity based on the ABC method. And if you haven't learned this method already, again, I encourage you to learn a little bit more on how price action works and how we at DayTradeToWin teach traders all about price action. So this happens to be the NASDAQ looking at an opportunity to go long right at 12 o'clock as soon as the B part of the day. This is considered the B part of the day. Now if we take a look at another market, even the micro E-mini S&P. So this is the micro E-mini S&P, and here we have very similarly a long opportunity. As soon as the market breaks the highs of the A, we see a signal on the software to go long. Another opportunity here on the micro E-mini S&P. If we take a look at a different market, even the Dow Jones, it's a little different. On the Dow Jones, we don't have a long, we have a sell. So interestingly enough, the software provided a sell signal to go short here at 32,171 to go short about 1220. So this is important because when it comes to support and resistance and understanding how the markets work, it's not just breakouts. It's more an understanding of, will the market hit this resistance or hit this support and break through it or bounce off of it, and then put rules to it based on price action. So this here is a short on the Dow Jones. The YM is the signal name. It's the Dow Jones. And we have here the micro crude oil. So this is the micro crude oil. The crude oil is a very fast and crazy market. If you're going to trade it, at least use the micro contract, and here is the micro contract on the crude oil indicating to go long at this price, $110 to go long, and the market went to $110.60. So a great opportunity here to go long on the crude oil. Let's take a look at another market. Say we took a look at the NASDAQ. This is the mini NASDAQ here. So this is again another long opportunity on the mini NASDAQ. We can take a look at the coffee market. For those of you who trade coffee or soybeans or corn or wheat, this is another opportunity here to go long on the coffee market, and there's actually a short earlier to go short here at 212. So the ABC method based on price action allows you to look at different markets. You can apply this to your chart. As long as you have a free member account, you can get this download and learn the method, more importantly, on how this works. Let's take a look at today's Atlas line signals. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.